Hey, we're here today at eimports4Less talking about a recent addition to our inventory. This here's a 2013 BMW 760Li. It's a black colored vehicle with saddle brown interior. It currently has 30,000 miles on it. A couple of features of this one: LED adaptive headlights, lane departure and lane change assist, front collision warnings, 20-inch wheels, heated seats, cooled seats, navigation, backup camera with front and rear park assist, as well as a top camera. On the interior you'll find wood grain trim, large display for the navigation and backup, heated seats, cooled seats, memory seats, ventilated seats. The same goes for the rear seat passenger as well. All the details about this vehicle can be seen anytime at eimports.com, and we can take questions here at the store, 215-249-9100. Thanks again for watching.